Greetings to all. I am Om Patel, pursuing master's degree in construction engineering management at CEPT University, and my student code is PCM25227. Welcome to my portfolio, which showcases the detailed feasibility studies on sustainable development at Ahmedabad as a part of construction project formulation and appraisal studio, guided by Dr. Devansu Pandit, Dr. Ganesh Devkar, Dr. Vatsal Patel, and Mr. Mehul Khaki, and assessed by Ms. Yashwini Lad and Mr. Mrinal Gachar. This study covers the key aspects of design brief, sustainability strategies, and project baseline schedule for this project. So, talking about the brief of the project, the bridge in Ahmedabad serves an important infrastructure element and playing a significant role in the city's connectivity, economy, and urban development. This bridge spans across the Sabarmati River, connecting Sarkhej Narod corridor of Ahmedabad, and it consists of National Highway 47, which is key connection with Vadodara and Rajkot city. This project is brownfield project, and existing length of the bridge is 555 meter, which is major bridge. Client is National Highway Authority of the India. The bridge serves the daily mixed traffic movement and its main connection of industrial area of Ahmedabad like Vatwa, Narol and Pirana. Over the years, the existing four-lane bridge addressing the traffic congestion and the deteriorate condition of the main structural component like girder, bearings, and the main carriageway. To achieve the smooth traffic flow and the safe movement of the vehicles, upgradation and development of this bridge is required. The development of the bridge consists of 8 plus 2 lane new bridge and demolition of existing right hand side 2-lane bridge and rehabilitation of existing LHS 2-lane bridge. Now looking to design brief for this project. In design brief, the all component of structure, mechanical, utility and fixtures design brief is given and specified as per the IRC codes and standard documents. For the key features of the bridge, proposed length of the bridge is 555 meters, which is based on the plain terrain and Sabarmati River. Existing carriageway is four separate carriageways, and new bridge proposal is eight-lane divided carriageways with two new two-lane service carriageways. So, considering the structural component, specified concrete grid to be used for the each different component as mentioned in this in this brief. Now, for the consider the superstructure planned with the PSC girders, which is either be box girder or eye girders, and for that the durable materials measures to be considered for the concrete and corrosion inhibitor concrete to be considered. Now talking about general brief, design life for the bridge is considered as 100 years and this bridge design for the 88,429 PCU count. For the superstructure and substructure, loads and forces to be carried out for this brief is dead load considered for artisan pre-stressed concrete is 2.5 ton per m3. Superimposed load for the bearing core thickness of 65 mm is considered. For live load of carriageway, one lane of 70 R for every two lanes is considered. For the temperature force, IRC manual is followed for clause number 215 and this bridge is considered as the seismic zone 3 for seismic force and wind force. The IRC manual SP114 2018 is to follow. Now considering the mechanical brief, the component bearing and expansion joint is considered. For bearing, port PTF bearing is to be considered for the provision and the clause for loading and loading structure ISC 6 2017 is to be followed. For expansion joint, Strip steel type of expansion joint with 40 mm width is considered. Design brief for the traffic signage, drainage, street light, and expansion platform specification is given. For traffic signage, two numbers of retroreflective rectangular informatic signboard of size 900 by 600 mm should be provided in accordance with the IRC SV 84 2019 and IRC 67 2012. This signage layout has to be designed accordance with the IRC 67, which is Code Practice of Road Sign, and IRC 99 guidelines for installation of road traffic signals. And for the drainage, open inlet gullies and scrubbers is proposed, and it should be placed at 10 meters center to center distance, and with connection is done with HDPE PVC down pipes. For street lights, solar LED hybrid system is adopted, and for this LED hybrid system will ensure the energy efficiency and operational reliability with average 40 lux illumination. And for lighting, poles should be installed at 30 to 40-meter intervals with high mass lighting at bridge approaches. Inspection platform. Inspection platform is to be proposed for to maintain and inspect the girder and the bearing during the maintenance period, which is easy access to girder and bearings. This inspection platform consists with fixed ladder with safety cage, walkway with handrails, and landing platform should be provide secure access from the ramp. Minimum clearance 1.8-meter headroom and 1.0-meter walkway width to be permit for two-person access during the maintenance. Coming to sustainability proposal for the project, use of the materials with low embedded carbon, which is sustainable infrastructure development under the Green Highway policies. Adoption of UHPC RC girder can reduce the 44.8% generation of embodied carbon compared to normal PSC girders. By comparing to life cycle cost, UHPC concrete can give us 100 years of design life with superior techno-economical value and sustainability benefits, which is justify the initial cost of the UHPC concrete. Other sustainability measures for the project as per the IGBC and Green Highway policies are water conservation strategies. By adopting UHPC concrete, which can reduce the 30% less amount of water conservation compared to high strength concrete. Considering another parameter, demolition waste management, by which demolition of old two-lane bridge, 13,466 recycled concrete aggregate can be generated. This recycled concrete aggregate will be used for new construction as per the reuse strategy as per IRC 121 2017. Now adoption of structural health monitoring system and advanced traffic management system, which be sustainable measure for the innovation and development by the IGBC manual. For the project baseline, process of project baseline schedule is project information setup, calendar setup, and scheduling process as per the work breakdown structure. For that, project start date is 20th July 2025. Work calendar is all Sundays and public holidays are excluded from the working calendars. Operation and maintenance part is to be start after the completion of construction period and 10 years of operation and maintenance period is carried out for the EPC contract. By using MS Project, whole schedule is prepared and total duration for the project, including the operation and maintenance, is 5077 days. Construction period is 917 days and client involved for 546 days for the pre-feasibility procurement of services and internal approval for the project. From that, milestone tasks are prepared, in which pre-feasibility, procurement of services, preparation of inception report, preparation of DPR, these are the milestone tasks. And in construction, pre-construction mobilization, construction of two-lane bridge, demolition of LHS bridge, eight-lane bridge, and rehabilitation of RHS bridge. These are the milestone tasks for the construction part for the EPC contractor. While preparing the milestone schedule, it gives the picture about the whole project and the long-term operation of the project. For the construction activity, Gantt chart is prepared. This this Gantt chart shows and helps to the linking of activities with each other and how construction activity will proceed. It gets the clear idea from the Gantt chart. Now coming to conclusion part for design brief highlights client must deliver clear and comprehensive design briefs to the consultant and well-structured design brief which considered with the structural requirement, utility fixtures and mechanical systems forms an fundamental reference for all downstream engineering activities. For the sustainability proposal, adoption of UHPCR girder minimize the embodied carbon and for the demolition waste reuse strategy will be sustainable advantage for the project. And coming to project baseline, baseline schedule provides the clear idea about the project and which helps in completion, complete and successful delivery for the project in defined time.